Hi, this is Scoggett, and today what I'm going to be making is I'm going to be making barbecue sauce. Not just any barbecue sauce. I'm going to be making Aaron Franklin's barbecue sauce. That's right, I'm going to be making Aaron Franklin's barbecue sauce. If you're not familiar with Aaron Franklin, he's a barbecue icon. He owns a restaurant, a barbecue restaurant down in Austin, Texas. And I understand, and my brother used to live in Austin. He moved back, found the error of his ways and moved back to Tornado Alley, Texas. And he told me that he tried to get in there to eat some of the barbecue Franklin makes at his restaurant. It's called Franklin's Barbecue. He said that the line was so long it was wrapping around 2 city blocks, maybe 3. And that's the way it is every day. I mean, the man is just fantastic. And it's just an honor to be able to get the recipe for his sauce and be able to make it. And I want to give a big shout out to my good friend Mick Cotton Barbecue. He sent me a book, and this book is on Franklin's Barbecue. And it has a recipe for this barbecue sauce. That's how I'm making it. And if you're not familiar with them, that's a picture of Aaron Franklin right there. And this is such a great book. If you're starting out in like cooking, if you're starting out like in barbecuing, you need to get this book. It's comprehensive. I mean, it's easy to read. It's easy to understand. And he talks about everything from sauces to wood. Even shows you how to make a diagram on how to make your own barbecue smoker. Talks about smokers. It's just a fantastic book. Just enjoy reading this so much. And I am learning a lot from this. Really, I am. I thought I knew quite a bit, but in the barbecue world, you never learn everything. It's just a great book, and just an honor to be able to make this barbecue sauce. And I'm going to show you how to make this. Show you the ingredients, what you need. I'm going to take this off, so we might be live at 5 here for a minute. Got it all lined up here. You're going to need some tomato ketchup. 1 3/4 cups of tomato ketchup. And I like to use a Heinz. I think Heinz ketchup is the best. Then we have water. Going to need water. I'm using Ozarka spring water. It's going to be 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons. That's 1/2 cup of water plus you add 2 tablespoons. Then we'll add some cider vinegar. I'm using apple cider vinegar. And it's 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. Got some white vinegar. And it's 1/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon. Then we have Worcestershire sauce. And you add 2 tablespoons plus 1 1/2 teaspoons. That's wet ingredients. Now we're going to do dry. Some brown sugar. I like to use dark brown because it really gives the color of like the barbecue sauce. Really, really nice. 1/4 cup plus 1 1/2 teaspoons. we're going to add some chili powder. Now, he uses chili powder, what is spelled C-H-I-L-E. I couldn't find any chili powder like that. So I'm using just the McCormick chili powder. What the difference is in the chili powder. This chili powder has got added ingredients. It's got like maybe garlic, oregano, and such. Where the other chili powder, spelled with the E, does not have any added ingredients. That's the difference in it. Then I have some ground cumin, and it's 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, kosher salt, 1 1/2 teaspoons, and coarse black pepper. It's 1 1/2 teaspoons of coarse black pepper, and that's it. That's that's all the ingredients right here for making Aaron Franklin's barbecue sauce. I'm going to go ahead and put this back on the tripod. Might be live at 5 here for a minute, but we're back, and I'm going to go ahead and get to making this. Let me move some of the ingredients out of the way so it's not in my way here. So I can get started. Okay, got all that moved out of the way. And now, what I'm going to do is just pan down here. Let me see if I can move this and get a better view. That looks pretty good right there. We're going to go ahead and make some barbecue sauce now. Let me find me a spoon to stir it. This looks like a good one, and we're going to get started. The thing is, Aaron says whenever you make the barbecue sauce, do not bring it to a boil. You don't have to. He said just slowly cook it and let it cook until everything comes together and it's all smooth and mixed. Once that is, once you have that, move it off to the side and let it cool and bottle it up. So, going to go ahead and add my ketchup. To my barbecue pot here. Get all this can here. That looks pretty good. I guess better turn on my fire. I'm going to turn it on to low there. Going to add my water. Kind of give it a stir. My cider vinegar. My white vinegar. My Worcestershire sauce. Give that a little stir here. Might need to kick it up just a tad. My brown sugar. chili powder, my cumin, my kosher salt, and my coarse black pepper. Just going to keep mixing this, and it's going to make sauce, a good barbecue sauce. I'm making ribs, baby back ribs today, and I'm going to put this sauce on the baby backs and have some Aaron Franklin style ribs. Such a great pit master. He's on YouTube. Check him out. Just really a great guy. Never met him, but just in what I've seen on YouTube, I can tell that he'd be just a fantastic guy to know, and everything, and he knows a lot about barbecue. I mean, from making smokers to doing the barbecue. And that's all what you got to do. I'm just going to go ahead and let this cook. And hope you give this a try. I think this barbecue sauce is just going to be just perfect with the baby backs what I'm making. And I'm going to put it on there. I'm going to make the baby backs, hickory smoke them on the pit barrel. And I just feel that it's going to come out great. Hope you give this a try. If you want to make your own barbecue sauce, I feel that this one is a good one. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. Another big thanks to you, Mick Cotton's Barbecue, for sending me the Franklin book. And appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. And y'all take care.